In today's fast-paced world, maintaining a robust immune system is more crucial than ever. With the rise of health-conscious living, superfoods have taken center stage, promising not just to enhance our diets but to supercharge our immunity. In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 superfoods that can boost your immunity instantly, all backed by solid scientific research. Imagine having the power to fortify your body's defenses against illness with just a few simple additions to your daily routine. These superfoods are not only packed with essential nutrients, but also come with a plethora of health benefits that can help you feel your best. Whether you're looking to fend off seasonal colds or simply want to enhance your overall wellness, these foods are your go-to allies. We'll explore each superfood in detail, discussing their unique properties, the science behind their immune-boosting capabilities, and practical ways to incorporate them into your meals. From vibrant fruits to nutrient-dense greens, these superfoods are versatile and easy to add to your diet, making it simple for anyone to elevate their health game. As we navigate through this list, you'll discover how these superfoods can not only support your immune system but also contribute to your overall health and vitality. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of these nutritional powerhouses and take charge of your health, stay tuned. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of which superfoods to include in your pantry and how they can make a significant difference in your immune health. Let's get started on this journey to better health and immunity with the top 5 superfoods that can transform your wellness routine. Number 5, spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is a nutritional marvel, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that play a crucial role in boosting your immune system. Spinach is rich in vitamin C, which is known for its immune-enhancing properties, helping to stimulate the production of white blood cells that fight off infections. Additionally, it contains vitamin A, which supports the health of your mucous membranes, acting as a barrier against pathogens. What sets spinach apart is its high content of phytonutrients, particularly flavonoids and carotenoids, which have been shown to possess anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the body, further supporting immune function. Spinach is also an excellent source of iron, which is vital for maintaining energy levels and overall health, especially during times when your body needs to fight off illness. While spinach ranks at number 5, it's important to note that its versatility in the kitchen makes it a favorite among health enthusiasts. You can enjoy it raw in salads, blended into smoothies, or cooked in a variety of dishes, making it easy to incorporate into your daily meals. However, compared to the higher-ranked superfoods, spinach may not pack quite the same punch in terms of specific immune-boosting compounds. For instance, while spinach is a fantastic source of nutrients, the superfoods that rank higher on our list offer more concentrated doses of immune-supporting properties. They may contain unique compounds that have been shown to have even stronger effects on immune health, making them more potent allies in your quest for wellness. In summary, spinach is a fantastic addition to any diet, providing essential nutrients that support immune health. Its ranking at number 5 reflects its solid nutritional profile and versatility, but as we move up the list, you'll discover even more powerful superfoods that can take your immunity to the next level. Number 4, turmeric. This vibrant yellow spice, often referred to as golden spice, is renowned for its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a formidable ally in boosting your immune system. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is what gives it its remarkable health benefits. Curcumin has been extensively studied for its ability to modulate the immune response, helping to reduce inflammation and enhance the body's defense mechanisms against pathogens. What sets turmeric apart is its unique ability to support overall health beyond just immunity. It has been linked to improved brain function, heart health, and even joint pain relief. Turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties can help alleviate chronic inflammation, which is often at the root of many health issues, including autoimmune diseases. This makes it not only a superfood for immunity but also a holistic health booster. While turmeric ranks at number 4, it's important to note that its bioavailability can be a challenge. Curcumin is not easily absorbed by the body, which is why it's often recommended to consume it with black pepper, as piperin enhances its absorption significantly. This characteristic sets turmeric apart from the higher-ranked superfoods, which may offer more readily available nutrients that the body can utilize effectively. In comparison to the superfoods that will follow, turmeric's benefits are profound but may require a bit more effort to maximize its potential. The higher-ranked items on our list provide a more immediate impact on immune health, often delivering concentrated doses of vitamins and minerals that can be quickly absorbed and utilized by the body. In summary, turmeric is a remarkable superfood that deserves its place at number 4 for its potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Its versatility in cooking, from curries to smoothies, makes it easy to incorporate into your diet. As we move up the list, you'll discover even more superfoods that can elevate your immune health to new heights, complementing the incredible benefits that turmeric provides. Number 3, ginger. This aromatic root is not only a staple in culinary traditions around the world but also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for boosting immunity. Ginger is packed with bioactive compounds, such as gingerol, which possess potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These compounds help combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation in the body, making ginger an excellent choice for enhancing immune function. What sets ginger apart is its ability to support digestive health, which is closely linked to immune health. A healthy gut is essential for a robust immune system, and ginger aids digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes and reducing bloating. Additionally, ginger has been shown to have antimicrobial properties, helping to fend off infections and support respiratory health, especially during cold and flu season. Ranking at number 3, ginger stands out for its versatility and ease of incorporation into your daily routine. Whether you enjoy it fresh, powdered, or as a tea, ginger can be seamlessly added to a variety of dishes, from stir-fries to smoothies. Its warm, spicy flavor not only enhances the taste of meals but also provides a comforting sensation, particularly in soothing teas that can help alleviate symptoms of illness. In comparison to the higher-ranked superfoods, ginger offers a unique combination of immune-boosting and digestive benefits. While the superfoods that follow may provide more concentrated doses of specific vitamins and minerals, ginger's multifaceted approach to health makes it a valuable addition to any diet. Its ability to support both the immune system and digestive health sets it apart, making it a holistic choice for overall wellness. In summary, ginger earns its place at number 3 for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties, digestive support, and versatility in the kitchen. As we continue our countdown, you'll discover even more superfoods that can elevate your immune health, each bringing their own unique benefits to the table, complementing the incredible attributes that ginger provides. Number 2, garlic. This pungent bulb has been revered for centuries, not only for its culinary prowess but also for its remarkable health benefits, particularly in boosting immunity. Garlic is rich in allicin, a powerful compound that exhibits strong antimicrobial and antiviral properties. This makes garlic an exceptional ally in fighting off infections and enhancing the body's immune response. Studies have shown that regular consumption of garlic can reduce the severity and duration of colds, making it a must-have in your health arsenal. What sets garlic apart is its ability to support cardiovascular health as well. It helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to overall heart health. This dual action of boosting immunity while promoting heart health makes garlic a unique superfood that addresses multiple aspects of wellness. Additionally, garlic is packed with antioxidants, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation, further supporting immune function. Ranking at number 2, garlic's versatility in the kitchen is another reason for its high placement. Whether used raw in dressings, roasted for a sweet, mellow flavor, or sautéed to enhance savory dishes, garlic can easily be incorporated into a wide range of meals. Its distinct flavor not only elevates dishes but also provides a wealth of health benefits, making it a staple in many cuisines around the world. In comparison to the top-ranked superfood, garlic offers a more concentrated immune-boosting effect, particularly due to its unique compounds like allicin. While the superfood that ranks first may provide a broader spectrum of nutrients, garlic's specific focus on immune enhancement and cardiovascular support makes it a standout choice for those looking to bolster their health. In summary, garlic earns its place at number 2 for its potent immune-boosting properties, cardiovascular benefits, and culinary versatility. As we approach the top of our list, you'll soon discover the ultimate superfood that takes immune support to an entirely new level, complementing the incredible benefits that garlic provides. Number 1, elderberry. This small, dark berry has gained immense popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Elderberry is a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which are known for their immune-boosting properties. Rich in vitamins A, B, and C, elderberries have been shown to enhance the body's immune response, making them a formidable ally in the fight against colds and flu. Research indicates that elderberry extract can reduce the duration and severity of these illnesses, making it a go-to remedy for many health enthusiasts. What sets elderberry apart is its unique ability to target viral infections specifically. Unlike many other superfoods, elderberry has been scientifically proven to inhibit the replication of viruses, which can help prevent the onset of illness. This makes it particularly effective during cold and flu season, providing a natural defense that is both potent and effective. Additionally, elderberries are rich in dietary fiber, which supports gut health, a crucial component of a strong immune system. Ranking at number 1, elderberry's versatility is another reason for its top position. It can be consumed in various forms, including syrups, gummies, teas, and even as a flavoring in smoothies and desserts. This adaptability makes it easy to incorporate into your daily routine, ensuring that you can enjoy its health benefits without sacrificing taste. In comparison to garlic, which ranks at number 2, elderberry offers a more targeted approach to immune support, particularly against viral infections. While garlic provides a broad range of health benefits, including cardiovascular support, elderberry's specific focus on enhancing immune function during illness sets it apart as the ultimate superfood for boosting immunity. In summary, elderberry earns its place at number 1 for its powerful immune-boosting properties, ability to combat viral infections, and versatility in consumption. As the ultimate superfood, elderberry not only enhances your health but also provides a delicious way to support your immune system, making it an essential addition to your wellness routine. In this video, we explored the top 5 superfoods to boost your immunity instantly, all backed by science and aligned with FitTuber's commitment to health and fitness. We began our countdown with number 5, spinach, a nutrient-dense leafy green that provides essential vitamins and antioxidants to support immune health. At number 4, we highlighted turmeric, the golden spice known for its powerful anti-inflammatory properties and its ability to enhance overall wellness. Moving up the list, we reached number 3, ginger, a versatile root that not only boosts immunity but also aids digestion, making it a holistic health choice. At number 2, we discussed garlic, a pungent bulb packed with allicin, which offers strong antimicrobial benefits and supports cardiovascular health. Finally, we crowned elderberry as our number 1 superfood, celebrated for its potent antiviral properties and its effectiveness in reducing the severity of colds and flu. Each of these superfoods brings unique attributes to the table, making them valuable additions to your diet. Incorporating them into your daily routine can be both simple and delicious, whether through smoothies, soups, or herbal teas. The science behind these superfoods underscores their importance in maintaining a robust immune system, especially during times when our bodies need extra support. We encourage you to explore more about these featured items and consider how you can integrate them into your meals. Whether you're looking to enhance your overall health or specifically boost your immunity, these superfoods offer practical solutions that are easy to implement. As you embark on your journey to better health, remember that small changes can lead to significant results. By making informed choices and embracing the power of these superfoods, you can take proactive steps toward a stronger immune system and improved well-being. So, dive into the world of superfoods, experiment with new recipes, and empower yourself to live a healthier life. Your body will thank you.